Hey guys, I am back with this week's new releases. This week we have our January mystery kit. So this will be the spoiler video because the only other thing we have this week is the Vintage Party restock. And that kit's been out, I think a couple times now it's been restocked. So yeah, so that's being brought back this Friday, and as well as our mystery kit. So if you want to see the Vintage Party kit, you can go through my Instagram. I have pictures of that up on there. And if you want to see the spoiler video for the January mystery kit, then definitely keep watching. If you don't want to see spoiler, but you want to see a sneak peek, like teaser of it, go ahead and head over to my Instagram. I'm also giving away a Vintage Party kit and the full kit of this mystery kit on my Instagram as well. So definitely go enter that. It ends Thursday and Thursday night, which is either tonight or tomorrow night, depending on when I upload this video. So yeah, but anyway, so let's get into the reveal. So definitely click off now if you don't want to see this. Everything will be up 9 AM Pacific Standard Time on Friday on my main shop, just like usual. Oh, also real quick before we get into it, I will be going out of town on Friday through Monday. Everything will go up like normal. The shop will be open like normal. The only thing that will change is that I will be not checking my Etsy messages as much. My boyfriend Austin and I are celebrating our 7-year anniversary, so we're going to Chicago for a few days because we've never been before and always wanted to go, and we love the cold. So we're going to be going over there. So I will be trying to check my Etsy messages as much as possible, but like I said, it's just kind of like a little bit of a break because I've been working around the clock the last like few weeks. So yeah, just want to let you guys know about that, and I think that's everything. Also, if you have any suggestions on what to do in Chicago or some like must-sees, definitely leave in the comments below. We're only going to be there for 2 full days because I have to get back to work, but yeah, let me know down below if you have any like do not miss kind of things. I would love to have some input because we've never been before. So anyways, here is the January mystery kit, and it is called Love Letters. So you can't see a whole lot yet. We'll go through the full kit first. So here's the first page. This is the ultimate sheet. I love these colors, you guys. It's a really pretty peach. It's kind of corally pink, a like raspberry kind of color, and then a darker gray. So here we go. It's kind of like sherbety, almost like a sherbety sunset, which I love. I think this would be great in February, or even in like, I think May. This would be really pretty too. Okay, so here's the first sheet, and you have all your half boxes, all your headers. It's just very florally. It reminds me of some of my older kits that are a little bit more floral based. And then I want to keep the full boxes more neutral because there's a lot of color. It's very busy with all the florals, so I want to keep it much more toned down. So you have this watercolor background. Those are my printers running in the office right now. And then we have the functional sheet, which I think, these colors are just so interesting to me. I don't think I've ever done anything like this. It kind of reminds me of like a sunset, but like sherbety. I don't know. I think they're perfect for spring. Then here's the washi sheet. You have this gorgeous floral washi over this kind of like exposed brick background. It's kind of like a rustic like brick. I just really like it. And then here are the full boxes. And the quote box says, "Whatever the question, love is the answer." I thought that was really nice. I just feel like it's a really like beautiful, simple, romantic kit. I like that they have a little bit of typewriter font. I made this one to kind of look like handwriting, so it's kind of like a typewriter one and then also like a handwritten one. So I love all like the old like vintagey elements of it. I think it's just super, super beautiful, and we have a mix of like the gray and white and light and dark. And then you have the last sheet, which is the deluxe sheet. So that is everything included in the mystery kit. This time I did not do a post-it like I did for the December one. So I definitely want your feedback on that. Do you guys like that? Because it does cost more money, obviously, because the post-its cost quite a bit. So do you prefer just the stickers like this? Or do you prefer an extra like the post-it? Or like would you prefer a pen? Or like washi tape? Or would you like it kind of mixed up, like some months and not the others? Because I really would love to know. So let me know down below if you would prefer, you know, if you really like the post-its. I like post-its, but I don't know if it's like, if people really want to spend, it's already kind of a lot, you know, like to spend the extra money is quite a bit, and I know people on tight budgets, so I don't want to make it you know, really expensive. And I also don't want to do like buy some post-its for some kits and then release some without post-its, because then it gets confusing and it's like I still committed to all of those post-its that I had to buy, you know. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I'd love your feedback. And then here's the mini kit version. So it also comes with the ultimate sheet, and then it's just a standard mini kit. So you have all your full boxes, you have all your half boxes, week and manner, you have your washi and your little functional stuff, and then your little things and headers. So that is everything in the mini mystery kit. So yeah, that is everything. So I hope you guys like this month's mystery kit. It's a little bit different. I decided I'm going to trade off between photo kits and clip art kits, just because last time when I asked on Instagram what you guys prefer for mystery kits, it was really like 50-50. So I decided I'm going to trade off here and there, because I know some people really love the clip art and some people really love the photo. So I enjoy designing both. So I wanted to do a little bit of trade off. So next month's will probably be a photo kit. It all just depends on the artwork I find and am inspired by. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the mystery kits. Let me know down below if you have any suggestions for Chicago. And if you're thinking of picking anything up this month, I mean this week, this Friday, I'm sorry. I'm like so scatterbrained trying to get everything ready before I go. And then also let me know if you like the post-its or not in the kits, in the mystery kits. So definitely like a lot, but if you have any feedback on any of that, definitely let me know down below. I would love to know your thoughts on it. So yeah, so I hope you guys are having a wonderful week and have a fantastic weekend. I am excited for all the new releases. I'm going to set them live from the airport, but I'm going to get everything prepped in advance, so there should be no problems with that. So anyways, I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of the day, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye!